Hello and welcome to the beautiful Suncoast. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a new series of courses that are specially designed for Sarasota County's newest residents. Whether you've recently moved in or you're about to make Sarasota County your home, our new Resident Starter Kit will be your guide to what you need to living on Florida's Suncoast. My name is Lee Hayes Byron and I'm Director at Sarasota County IFAS Extension and Sustainability. We're a partnership that brings the science of the university to help residents and businesses. We developed this series of webinars to help our new neighbors settle in and feel right at home. Each newcomer course is packed with valuable information and practical tips about our area. We'll cover a wide range of topics, from gardening and alligators to Florida-friendly landscaping, recycling, lakeside living, and more. So I hope you'll join us to learn how Extension can help you get started on your new Suncoast adventure. And welcome to Sarasota County. This is my home, and I know you'll enjoy it as much as I do.